Hey there, Jay again, Running Relics Garage. Just wanted to bring you up to date. Looks like it is video number 13. I can finally count this week. Of course, got the Ford on the 56 on the 2000 Mercury Mountaineer frame. Also, it's been awful nice and shiny, so I have pulled out the duster, changed up some battery, trying to get it ready to go. So it's a runner. It's just been closed up for the winter. But let's go see what it is that's been going on with the 56. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay, here we are. Got most everything in front. I think you guys have all seen this before. Of course, I did put my air cleaner in there. Everything is fit and running. Let me show you the two things that I have been working on. One of them is the bed. I have got the bed over here. I've got it set on elevation. And of course that is with this this rail right down below that handle. So I've got it set. I have the lights, the frame. We're pretty solid at the moment, you know. Just shaking the truck. So I have to cut a little bit off of here. Make that the 6.5 feet that it is. That puts my wheel well, because again, the wheel well, it's we're just a couple inches different from the original 56 Ford chassis to the Mercury Mountaineer chassis. I've got my running board out, doing a little mock-up on there. Looks like we're gonna have to take about 1.5 inches out of that when we get there, but I'm not really worried about it right now. So we got some more mounting to do, and I want to get this bed down as far as possible. So I will move the you know, the gas filler and all that sort of stuff. But so that's all going. I think I got more of that mocked up. It's just now spending some time getting the you know, everything welded and tacked in place. So here is the current project. Flip hood, so the whole front end flips. But because I originally started this slice on this cab when this was on the 56 chassis, and then I changed directions on this build, so that put this splice here. I went ahead and tacked it all together right here, and what I'm going to do is end up removing this 5 inches. There's 5 inches over here, right there. I'm going to remove that 5 inches, of course cut everything out all the way across, and that will move the entire fender up 5 inches. And so that'll put that wheel, should put that wheel right there center. And so gonna practice some of my welding skills here. I'm not a sheet metal welder. I was actually a journeyman iron worker welder with structural steel, you know, 6011 and P5 welding, a rod on industrial iron projects. So I can weld, I can tack, but not, this is different, you know, wire feed and all that stuff. So anyways, learning and playing with all that stuff. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll be able to cut this up, cut this across. I'll cut this down right here. Then also the second piece, I'm going to cut that down, remove this 5-inch section, move the entire wheel well forward, and I'll take that 5-inch section, relocate it back to here. Probably have to scab in a couple other things, but then that will move this line up about here. So once it's up there, it'll be up. So we'll just put that in as stitches. I've seen another guy on another channel building stitches. I thought that was pretty cool. So that's what's going on right now. One other thing I did, which I thought was pretty cool, is the lower part of the dash right here. Again, I've got all this stuff in, and we got the 56 dash up on top, and we've got this lower dash here. Man, got the doors all in place. So that fender, finishing up the rest of the bed, being able to fit the running board. I'll be gone this next week. Let me turn this camera back around. I'll be gone on a business trip this next week, so maybe by next weekend I might get a chance to spend a little more time here, but I'm just trying to mock some stuff up. Looking forward to getting to the place where I've got this front end, that chrome grill, start getting that chrome grill in here, and then of course the whole front end is going to tip up. Man, I'm looking forward to that. Got another battery mount, got all those things in place where should be working, should be fitting. You know, not going to be complete, but at least all the big stuff is done, and it'll be safe, be able to take it to a show, hopefully May 24th. Well, we're just going to cruise down there, park in the rat rod section. But over this next year, being able to button up stuff and really spend time on all the details. Right now, it's just getting it together, getting it running. In fact, I got a sign in there that says, don't get it right, just get it running. But anyways, 75 Plymouth Duster 318 and 56 F100 on a Mercury Mountaineer frame. Thanks for watching. Ask any questions, like, subscribe, all that stuff. See ya.